Properties of the different states of matter, part 1. We're gonna start with the solids. Solids are all the things that cannot change shape. They have a definite rigid shape and they are often very dense. The density of a substance is a measure of how tightly packed the particles are. As you can see, the particles are really close to each other. A substance with higher density has closely packed particles. A substance with lower density has loosely packed particles. They are spread out all over the material. Some solids have high densities because the particles that they are made from are very closely packed in a regular arrangement. There are strong forces between the particles which give solid objects their definite shape and in some materials a great deal of strength. Although the particles are held together by strong forces, they can still move. They vibrate about their fixed positions in the solid. When we supply energy to a solid by heating it, the particles vibrate more. They move more quickly, so we notice the increase in the kinetic energy of the particles in a substance as an increase in the temperature of the substance. As we saw in the previous tutorial, the particles or molecules in a solid, as we can see in this figure, they are tightly packed, they are held in a fixed pattern or crystal structure by strong forces between them, and they vibrate around their fixed positions in the structure.